Hey guys, Xspido99 here. That's trash. It's hard getting a new intro or a catchphrase. That's what I meant. I'm just gonna go on with this. Okay, so today I'm gonna be teaching you how to make frame. So first off, you're gonna have to put that frame into your backpack and then take it out onto your project. Next, gonna be setting up. So I decided, actually I didn't decide. Okay, I decided that we're gonna make just a flat grassy area with the sky in the background, maybe a tree or two. Remember, this isn't Bob Ross show. There's no happy accidents, there's just the undo button. Sometimes there's happy accidents. So what I like to do is get it prepared like so. Just get two colors. For the back, we're doing blue. That's not blue. That's still not blue. That's blue. You know what? One more side in. Okay, and then once you have it planned out like this, then you're gonna choose a different shade of the color you chose to fill it in. And now, put in a sun. Cheating. I'm a cheater. Cheating at my own game. It's not my own game. My computer's so annoying. I need to use a mouse for it. And then let's get some clouds in there. Maybe some clouds over here. And I'm making these clouds horribly. They're gonna turn out horrible. Other than this one. This one's gonna be fine. Those two, I need to edit it. It's gonna be fine. And once you're satisfied with the clouds that you put on, just fill them in. And make some more when you realize you didn't make enough. once you pixelify it, if you pixelify it good enough, that will just be some white blurs. Just gonna duplicate it so in case there's any problems, you know. Now for the color brown, you can use a low color like 5 and voila. So we're gonna make a tree. And 4 works way better than 5, by the way. Gonna make some roots sticking out. I don't know why I do stuff like that, because it's all gonna end up blurs by the end of it. That's fine. It's pretty good. I never made a tree pixel art before, as you can see from the things I posted. Now I'm gonna zoom in a lot more, and then pick a pink. Get the circle tool out. Wow. Ta-da. Get the square tool. Get the line tool. It's a flower. Let's see which looks better. Yeah, I'm gonna texturize it. I wasn't planning to, but it needs it. I'm gonna do something I never really taught, but like only checkering part of it turns out cool. I do it a few times. I never did it this particular way. But I said I was gonna do partly checkerizing, but you know, my policy is make a plan. See, is start out without a plan. Make a plan halfway through. The way to plan, that's how I follow most of my things. Other than the best thing I ever made, the summertime piece. Okay, let's just see how a little bit of checkers can change the entire piece. Let's make it pretty small. Maybe smaller. Yeah, that looks pretty good actually. I hate it when that happens. Just hate it. I'm gonna have to bring it back to its normal size and then convert it vector. Songs that get stuck in my head though. That's pretty good. Now, just gonna make a pixel person for it. Quick one. So y'all found out my secret. Christmas songs are stuck in my head 356 days a year. Don't tell anyone. You know what? This guy. This guy really does not like being cold at all. And I believe his name's Jerry. He's from California. And it's the first day of summer this year. But he's in school. No, he's running. This is a race. He's in the last race of the year, I believe. I don't know how the seasons for races work. But anyways, he's in a race. He's not going to enter phase 1. No. He's not in a race at all. He's just extremely short. Sucks. Like I said, I came here without a plan. I made a plan. I changed the plan. And I made his arm too big. It's fine. My school is from 8 to 12:30 for this year, but next year they're switching it back to 8 to 3 or something. I don't know what it is. I'm a freshman. Have you seen my first ever try at pixel art that I posted? Sonic Spider Animations. I have 3 pixel arts, sir. The first one was basically me making like some guy, I don't know, on bitmap, and then pixelifying it. I wonder how this guy's gonna turn out with those shoulders. And I also wonder why he's at the park when he's a guy that works at the gym a lot. I'm not gonna texturize his pants, but I am going to. Okay, so remember last time pixelizing, I came up with pixelifying. I came up with a name. It's a positive pixelifying and a negative pixelifying. Positive is making it bigger, which is what I'm gonna do. Okay. This is my pixel art tutorial for today. Remember, take the frame, put it into your backpack. No, actually,